Plus off US 92 in Lakeland, Florida. Before we ride the elevators, we'll get a view from this window right here. Not much of a view other than a trailer park down there and the hotel parking lot. There's your ice machine. Got a floor sign right there. And here's your view of the guest floor. Just for the heck of it, let's see if there's a better view from this window right here. Not really. Maybe on the other side might have a better view, but just for the heck of it, we're going to look at it just to make sure. To see if this side has a better view or not. As you can tell, this is a modern Best Western Plus property. Questionable smells up here as well. Somewhat better. Got a nice sunset off in the distance. Otherwise, no exciting view. That's one of your set of steps. And now let's go ride the elevators. And now, here are the elevators. And these are Schindler 3300s. Got this elevator to ride first. Go down to 1. Get a cab, you are going down. Pretty basic modern Schindler elevators for a Best Western property. Nothing really too exciting. Floor indicator, certificates, FIGS buttons. Capacity is 3,000. This is car 1. And you're at 1. Out there is the lobby. Back to 4. The other one. Alright, that guy's gonna go down the air elevator. Then we're going this road. And there he goes going down. And I'm gonna cut the video and try to get the air elevator. Quickly see the rear. Hi. Nice table and lamp. You see the right car comes. And here's the right car. As you can tell, this one has the rear door in the back. Go down to 1 and 1 hour is open. Get a cavity of this car while we're going down. Same as the other one, except this one has the rear door. Pretty basic modern elevators for a Best Western Plus property. Floor indicator, certificates, FIGS fixtures. Car number 2, capacity is 3,000 pounds as well. And you're at 1. I've watched both doors open. Rear door's kind of slow. Back at the 4. That is one slow door. And Euro 4. Alright. Watch this elevator door close. And there it goes, and that'll be it.